Hey guys, Ford Man here. Today we're going to do a taste test review on Red Baron Supreme Pizza. And, of course, we're going to put some Tabasco hot sauce on it. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, so I thought, well, I'd just upload a video. Here's what the Red Baron Supreme Pizza looks like. I think this is actually my very first time ever having this type of brand of pizza before. Um, so, taste test, here we go. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this this about a 8. Um, just because the crust around it on the outer edges seems a little tough, and I will say it's not, it is good, but it's not as good as like Domino's Pizza or Pizza Plus or Pizza Hut Supreme Pizza. And but um but like I said, it is good though. Um but I don't think that I would buy it too often though. Um, of course, it's microwaveable. But that might be why the crust is a little hard than normal. But I'll probably it would probably be a good while before I would buy this again. Well, I'm gonna get off here and enjoy the rest of this. And don't forget, later on tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be doing my first Kahoot trivia and panel talk show of 2021 on a Friday night. So I hope to see everyone there. Don't forget the upcoming live streams that's happening tonight. Between now and my show, I know Van Life Rocks is on right now. and Sexy Matt is on right now. New Horizons is coming on at 7 Eastern. And then Steve Turtle on at 8 Eastern, along with Roy and Becky Travels. They said there wasn't. They said earlier that they wasn't sure if they was going to be able to pull off the trivia that they were going to do or not. But and then my show at 9, and also Meant to Be RVing comes on at 9 as well. So those are all great channels. They're all in the RV community, and it's just a great community. So anyway, guys, I will see you guys next video. Bye, guys.